Do not adjust your set. You are watching a van life channel. I've thrown a monster munch on top of that pile of gravel, and a baby seagull is complaining about it.
No, I don't like Monster Munch. I like Pringles.
Yes. Not complaining. Oh, you are still complaining about that? Yes. Do not adjust your set. You are watching a van life channel. It ever stop raining? I finally found an empty car park, and now it's dropping rain. Oh. It's now telling its mother that Monster Munch is really lovely. It's trying to let her mother know what Monster Munch tastes like, but she knows, and she's not having any of it. She goes, no, I've brought you up better than that. You should just be eating Pringles. But what they don't know is there's another one right there. See it? Now, the crows are a little bit more sassy than that. I wonder if they'll catch on first. Warmer, colder, warmer, colder, warmer. You see, this is how van lifers can entertain themselves without television. There is a real world out there, interactive, 3D, full of amazing things that aren't script written, aren't designed to give you some opinion. Just enjoy watching whether a seagull or a crow will eat a Monster Munch. I mean, that should be live on BBC One, 7 o'clock prime time every evening. So now the baby seagull has come back. Always wandering around. It now got a taste for Monster Munch. Barbecue flavour, I believe. Oh, if only it knew. It's just over the horizon from its point of view. Oh, this is tense. Started to hobble down towards me a bit there. Yes, coming closer. It must be able to see it soon. I know birds have even better colour vision than humans. Oh, there's its mother. Suddenly come to join it. Oh no. So, but mummy, these Monster Munches are brilliant. Look, there's one down there.
No, you eat Pringles like I brought you up. When your father hears about this, you get a clip down the ear.
But I mean, really, when you're watching David Attenborough, you're just getting this, but in a smoother voice. Allow me to demonstrate.
It's here, on a gravel pile in Aberystwyth, near the Irish Sea, that we find a seagull and her youngling arguing over whether one should eat Pringles or Monster Munch. Now, obviously the mother's a veteran of Pringles, but the child has been corrupted by a passing motorist into the new delicacy of Monster Munch. Now the mother's got bored of the child protesting.
Just obviously.
Yes. Will the child do its own thing and disobey the mother? Or is the mother watching from a distance?
Oh, my Attenborough slacked off in the last few months, so I forgot to practice it.
And as the youngling inches forward, we can now see just how close she has come to the Monster Munch.
Oh, COVID-19.
Come on, just inch forward. Yes, yes, yes. You're so close to discovering the Monster Munch. There it is. Yes, grab it, grab it. Yes, yes.
Oh, oh, what a show! There's nothing like that on television. Oh, and he's dropped it and it's rolled even closer to the car park. Oh no.
And now the youngling realizes she's in danger of entering the human domain. This is probably her first test of bravery in her short life so far. Yes, and she has passed. She's grasped it. Yes. Oh yes, and now she gobbles down the barbecue-flavoured Monster Munch with relish. Oh yes, she's going to be super smug when she goes back to her mother to tell her the anecdote. Let's hope her father will be slightly more open-minded about it than her mother believes he will.
No, I can't just let it go there. I'll have to throw another one. These are really lightweight and they don't travel far, so I'll have to actually get out and offer the baby seagull close up. Oh yes. Oh, that went very well indeed. Oh no. Oh, can I get arrested for this? Well, we'll soon find out. I'm so close now. Oh, what a great happy ending. Oh, plot twist here. The crows just found the next one. Normally when crows get on the act, it's game over for their less intelligent seagull cousins. Oh. Oh yes, straight in. Well done, crow. He's saying, in your face, baby girl. Yeah. Yeah, I'm crying to mother now. No, she's not having any of it. No, she told you so. Don't get involved with barbecue flavoured Monster Munches. They're just trouble. But now the crow knows what time it is. I've had enough of this bloody thing squawking now. I'm going to eat it. I wish to correct the record. It was in fact a pickled onion flavoured Monster Munch. You never know when I might surprise you with a little bit of WTF every now and then. Maybe I can't put this on my van life series. It'll have to go in the WTF column, I think. But still, my subscribers will all be notified of this. And to anyone else who's discovered this, there are other WTF nonsense going on here. There are experimental photography WTF nonsense going on there. This is how I started in van life, and subscribe there for more of this, well, mostly van life stuff these days.